Hey, Chris Allen for Allen Trench Safety. Today we'll be assembling a hydraulic vertical shore with a 3.5 rail. Now the 3.5s, the 5 foots, and the 7 foot rails all have double cylinders, meaning they have two hydraulic vertical shores pushing in tandem against the rails. These hydraulic shores are connected by a 1/4 inch hydraulic hose, allowing both vertical shores to be connected to the pump can by one quick connect. We'll be following many of the same steps covered in the assembling of the hydraulic vertical shores on the 1.5 rails. We'll just be doing them twice because we have two cylinders. So let's begin. First, we need to connect the hydraulic vertical shores together using the 1/4 inch hydraulic hose. Then lay the 3.5 rails out flat with the handles facing in the same direction. Now place the base of the cylinder pad into the rail with the holes closest to the handles. Slide the pins in place and secure them with a circle cotter. Place the top rail on and slide the pins through the second hole in the push pad. Then secure them with a circle cotter. With the hydraulic vertical shore completely assembled, there should be a scissor motion, allowing it to fold down for easier installation in the trench. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more with Allen Trench Safety.